Talaga ng virtual assistant ngayon, di ba, ang dami ng AI, pwede nang palitan. Kaya let's talk about something important. Let's talk how being a virtual assistant has changed over the years. Yung ginagawa ng mga VA 10 years ago, it's really different na sa ginagawa ngayon. May AI na eh. Kaya I've seen new tools, new trends. Kaya some tasks talaga naapektuhan. For example, super basic tasks like data entry or even some parts of customer support. Dahil ngayon, meron ng AI chatbots, automations, ay, ang bilis na talaga. Pero here's the thing people miss eh. This actually works in our favor. AI didn't really remove VAs. It actually just removed the manual low value work. Kasi ngayon, we can do research faster, we can organize data better, and we can deliver results quicker and smarter, which clients love. So actually, it depends on your perspective kasi kapag natatakot ka sa AI, or you can use it. Another big shift that I've noticed is ang mga niche VAs are winning. So, mga general VAs, yes, nag-i-exist pa rin naman sila. Pero kapag nag-niche ka, mas in demand ka. So, if you have like finance background, you can focus more on finance-related tasks. And if you speak multiple languages, you can target specific markets too. So, if you're good in systems, CRM, tech, syempre, super huge advantage yon. Clients are actually looking for VAs who are technically confident nowadays na. Lalo na pag marunong kang mag-Excel, gumamit ng mga AI tools, familiar ka sa mga platforms, sa mga CRMs, para project management, social media tools, and actually, wala na tayong excuse eh. Guys, ang daming free content sa YouTube, may affordable courses pa. Meron sa Udemy, sa HubSpot, sa LinkedIn Learning, ang dami. And information is literally everywhere. So if you want to stay relevant as a VA, you don't just work hard, you have to skill up.